Hi ladies, happy Thursday. I just wanted to thank all of you who came out to support the first day of our holiday open house, which was today, and we were open till 7, and it was awesome, and we really appreciate it. Going forward, we still have 2 more days of store-wide 20% off, and that includes everything except our Brighton and our formal wear. So I just want to show you a few things that you might not have seen before, or if you did, I'm just going to let you revisit them. This just happens to be a top that we had in from Ethel, and it is a restock because we completely sold out of them. It is the cutest knit jacket. It is in a sweater material, but it's a little bit fuzzy, but it's also a giving top. So it would be great to throw on as an over top with lots of different things. It is a little bit shorter. It is priced at $117, and I have a small, 2 mediums in that. And then I just want to show you how it pairs with our, by the way, the rack is anything that goes good with blacks. I'm going to show you a few different black bottoms and then tops that look great with our black bottoms. And this is our #1 pant, our Slim Station bottom with the tummy panel in the front. It comes in an ankle pant and in a full length pant. The ankles are at 79 and the full length is at 83. Here is a Lulu Bee in their SPX fabric, which is, you don't have to say anything about the fabric. It's wonderful. It is, I say, bulletproof. You can't hurt it. You can't damage it. It's cool in the summertime. It's warm in the wintertime. How they do it, I do not know. But we have lots of different prints. This just happens to be a reptile print, and it's kind of got red and black. So if you want something a little holiday, but something that would carry on, it would be a great item to have. And that we have in, it's priced at $75, and I have it in an extra small, 2 smalls, 2 medium, 1 medium, 2 large, and 1 extra large. Then I just love this style. They do this style every season in multiple different prints and fabrics. This is by Multiples. It is in that pink, the pop knit or a puckered knit. You can wear it as a jacket or a top, and the collar has wire in it, which it forms to mold around your face, which is very nice. It just looks great with black bottoms with these cute chunky black buttons, and it is in a knit, so it is comfortable as well. It's priced at $89, and in that I have a medium, 2 large, and an extra large. And I'm going to show you, if I haven't shown you before, or just to refresh your memory, this is in the Ultra Knit by Slim Station. It still has the panel. It is like an Aponte, a thicker knit, so it would be a great winter weight. It washes and feels like a dream. It has mock pockets in the front, meaning they are not functional, but in the back they are. And this is a pant that comes in extra small through extra large, and in the black, they're priced at $79. This is in the knit, and it just so happens that I have a small, a medium, and an extra large with more on order that will be here next week as well.
The pink jacket, tell me the sizes again. I think that last one was supposed to be a women's size.
I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Instead of being an extra large, it's a 3X. So it is a little bit bigger than an extra large. So for any of you ladies that wear our women's sizes, this is so attractive. A nice find here. And in this one, it is $95 in the 3X. So here is another great top. This is from Habitat. It is a longer top, so it really needs a legging. And it's kind of in a puckered fabric, and it's pieced fabric all over it. So it gives you a great design, a great slimming effect, and a pattern without being overdone. It has kind of got a modified cowl with a little bit of a side tab. It's priced at $110, and I have a small, 2 mediums, and 1 large in that. Here's another top that I said, oh, when did we get this in? And Allie said, I did it in a video. Well, I don't know where I was, but anyway, I wasn't here. This is kind of in a zebra in the blue and the black, and we have done this style before. It's a repeat body. but it's kind of got like the pleather going down the front, and then it does have functional pockets with the relaxed cow, and it's not real long. It's not real tunic-y style, but it is enough to cover up what we want to be covered up if we want to wear a legging or a tighter fitting jean. It's priced at $79, and I have a small, a medium, a large, and then I have a 1X and a 3X. And the 1X and 3X are priced at $83. I'm gonna pair it with that Ultra that I had showed you in the knit, in the Ponte knit, but this is in a denim fabric in the Ulta. It still has all of our nice tummy control panels, and it comes up a little bit higher. It is awesome. I know you have heard me say probably in the denim that I have. I put it on one day and I said, I think this is the best filling pant that I have. So it is a must try if you need it comes in the black denim, it comes in a light wash denim or a medium wash denim and a dark denim, and they're priced at $89. And this I have an extra small through an extra large. Here is another great black and white top that has been overlooked, and it's our parsley and sage, and we love parsley and sage. All the detail that they do is just wonderful. I don't know how they do it for the money. But here again, it's nice, comfortable, relaxed cow. It's a little bit longer, so it is a great with your leggings. It's priced at $78, and in this one I have 2 large and an extra large. Then we all need something red for the holiday, so this looks good without being holiday-ish. Be great with your black. And it is in a knit. This is in Alley Miles. It's priced at $89, and in this one I have a small, a medium, and an extra large. And then we have to talk about the top I have on. This is in the Jess and Jane. It is just in a cotton t-shirt knit. So if you will notice, it is metallics in the front and more just solid in the back. So you're a little bit shiny in the front and matte on the back. So anyway, it is priced at $49, a great price. I have 1 medium, 2 large, and 1 extra large, and then I have 1 pair of pants left like I have on. These are our tribals that we love. We do every season in multicolors, and this is the last pair of black I have, and it just happens to be a size 4. Not calling any names, Maria, but anyway, it is a size 4 and it's priced at $95. So, ladies, that's what we're showing you today. Hope you will come and see all of our wonderful things. Believe it or not, we're still getting stuff in. Most everything that's coming in now, though, is more spring oriented, but you are welcome to shop out of the back room. We would love for you to, and we would love for you to come and see us. We've got some little treats and get to spin our wheel along with store-wide 20% off. So ladies, come on in. You got Friday and Saturday left, Friday 10 to 5 and Saturday 10 to 4. Hope to see you, ladies. Thanks again.